This is exactly why you aren't making $10,000 a month or more with TikTok Shop Affiliate, brutal honest edition. Coming from someone who has done anywhere from $50,000 to $150,000 a month, I'm gonna tell you why your videos aren't converting. Let's get right into it. Number one, your product selection sucks. I'm sorry, I know you hate to hear it, mine suck too. You're in the wrong niche. You need to be selling a product that does something for someone. Evergreen niche, y'all. Like, don't sleep on supplements or products that give beauty, glowing skin, snatch you up. Like, those are the products that you can resonate with, really sell the dream, and they're always gonna blow up. People are always gonna wanna look and feel better. Okay, so you have product selection, but then you have the video. So what makes a video good? So many things. You can be walking with your AirPods in and it's shaky, terrible. Set your camera up, still, lighting. I know you guys have heard that a million times, but also I'm in a kind of tangent because lighting isn't necessarily crucial. If you're laying in bed and just chill, that can blow up too. Like, it's relatability. It's you're on FaceTime with your best friend, girl, check this out, this is insane, I've never seen this before. Or like, let me tell you why this is so good, and clear. Don't talk like you're underwater. Check if your phone is muffled. Film with a good phone. Please don't do TikTok Shop if you have Android. Like, I'm sorry, it's just common sense. Like, get an iPhone because you want a good quality. What else makes a video good? Hooks. Like, what I mean by a hook, you're not just, good morning, guys. I just got back from vacation. Let me tell you about this. It's, y'all, this is insane. Or it's lip gloss. Or it's showing your abs that this product gave you. It's showing your glowing skin. It's saying, have you guys seen the story of this lady who blah, blah, blah? Like, get their attention. They're on TikTok to get a dopamine hit. They want to see something that will catch their attention and make them stop scrolling. And think about this, guys. We are high consumers. Like, we're scrolling. Like, what would make you stop on a video? So think about that when you're filming your video. It needs to provide value that they will be like, what? And then you're actually not just getting them to stop scrolling, you're trying to get them to buy something. It's like a whole psychological game. So you're not just filming a cute little TikTok anymore. It's literally a psychological, it sounds kind of crazy, but like, it's intense. This is really important. You have to call out your target audience. You could be filming an amazing TikTok, but it gets sent to 15-year-old boys who don't care and don't have money. Or moms, if you need to get rid of that lower belly fupa, this is for you. Boom, TikTok knows exactly who to send it to. They're gonna try to give it to the 15-year-old boy, see that he's not interacting, and see that Suzanne, who's in her little house and she's 40, interacts, and then they're gonna send it to all those moms. That's how the algorithm works, y'all. It is so good. Like, all you need to do is just say a couple things that target your audience, and I promise you, even if your video gets a few thousand views, it will go to the right people and they will interact. So all you need to do is make the good video with the target hook. TikTok algorithm will do the rest, I promise. Another thing is you need to know the different types of videos. There's conspiracy style, there's talking head, which is literally, as the name insinuates, you're talking. There's also sound videos where it's a short clip with a sound over it and words kind of displaying something. I personally have never seen success with that. I rarely do conspiracy. I focus on talking head. But if you want to do any one of those styles, you need to know that that's what you're good at. Be so brutally honest with yourself. If you're not someone that can set up your phone and yap and tell a fluid story and get to the point, then either have bullet points in your mind or a script set up where you can film, or don't do that style. Because I've seen so many poorly filmed videos where, you know, the person is just kind of yapping and trailing, and it's so boring. Like, no one's gonna stop and scroll to watch that. They'd be better off making the sound clips or a conspiracy style where it's like, you know, Elon Musk said this about this, or Joe Rogan. That's conspiracy if you guys aren't aware. So ask yourself, what am I actually good at? If it's not talking, then try something else. But if it is talking, make sure that you're getting to the point and you're telling a really interesting story or providing a lot of value and keeping it interesting. Establish authority. I cannot stress this enough. If you are just acting like super nonchalant or like it's, again, kind of boring, like, you have to come as a person of authority, whether you're saying that you've had this experience yourself. Like, I have seen results, let me tell you. Talk down on them a little bit. Even if you angle kind of down where your eye point is top to middle, that's better than if you're like this or up high. Like, everything from the angle to the way that you're talking to the way you're providing education establishes that authority absentmindedly to the viewer of, oh, this person knows what they're talking about, versus this is just some random person who's trying to sell me something. All right, now I'm gonna go through a good video versus a bad video of the same exact product and be brutally honest as to why one is bad and the other is good. Let's do it. I'm gonna link both the videos in my description so you guys can go watch them and look at the comments and just kind of see how the video is, but I'm gonna stop and pause and live commentate on these videos. Okay, I'm gonna play the bad video first. Absolutely no hate to this person. I'm just gonna explain to you guys why this is a bad video, and then I'm gonna play a really good video, and you'll see the stark difference between the two.
Buy one bundle, get one free of Dr. Malaxin Peel Shot. Here's how. Just tap the orange card, and that's gonna unlock the flash.
Okay, right away, like, you know that person's trying to sell you something. It's kind of poor quality, a lot of colors going on. It's like chaotic. It's giving like desperate to sell you and talk about a sale. And any consumer scrolling on their For You page is not gonna care about that. There might be one mom who's like, oh, sale, yay. But like, that's not a viral video. That's not like a wow factor. And she doesn't even tell you about the product.
Sale. They're also giving you free shipping with this. And if you buy 2 of these bundles, you're gonna pay the same price as 1 of these bundles when it's not on sale.
Like, it almost is good. She has a really good angle of the camera. She's showing her face and the product, which is really good. She's being like, you know, she's front and center with the product. So it's like, it's good. She's not like shaking the camera or talking, and she's clear. It's just the wrong idea. Like, you can insinuate maybe at the end of the video, hey guys, by the way, there is a sale on this, but that's after you've established a wow factor or talking about what it does or showing you using it or any other kind of viral style when showing a content product versus sale.
So don't wait, that sale ends tonight. Tap that orange card and get yours before the price goes up.
Like, it was a 20-second video just talking about a sale, so that's that. Okay, some brutally honest reasons why that video is bad. That's clearly an older woman, so the product she should pick should resonate with her audience, like maybe targeting like foot pain or anti-aging or wrinkle cream, like clear, again, I mean no hate, I'm just saying like she could lean into her niche and like do really, really well. It doesn't even necessarily matter like if her video doesn't follow a certain style, because if it's going to other moms her age, maybe they like the way that she's talking, she just needs to pick a product that resonates instead of like sale and like, you know, and when I went to her account, there's tons of other products she's trying to do. It's not like a specific niche. I think if she narrowed down to her age and an evergreen, she would do really well. Again, she's not the poster child for this specific product, so it's also really important. If I were to do that product, I would want to have really clear skin, be like radiant and glowy, or be like, guys, look at this, like this is insane. Instead of just be like, okay, sale, if that makes sense. Okay, let's watch the really good video, and I'm gonna break down why this video is so amazing. And this video is viral, guys. Like, it's not just a good TikTok shop video, but like, if you make a good video, obviously it's gonna go viral. So you get the virality and you're getting tons of sales. It's like a win-win.
Look at my large pores, always been taught not.
Look at how close and how clear that is right off the bat. Like, you're scrolling, that's literally 0.5 seconds and she's got your attention. Like, oh my gosh, like that is so good. So good. You don't have to be that close in all of your videos. It just depends what product. Because this product is specifically for skin, she's giving you the up close quality view of her pores to literally show you guys the wow factor. And check this out. She's responding to a comment. Thank you for showing realistic skin for someone with pores. I need this now. Like, so smart. She's utilizing a comment that's already kind of like favoring the product and her style of skin, and she's leaning into that to tell you guys why this is so good.
To do that, but then there's absolutely nothing on God's green earth that will get it out. Your large pores look anything like my large pores, and you can never unclog them. Your makeup can't sit right. Definitely try the extract.
Boom, relatability. If your pores look like mine, if you can't get makeup to sit right, like the way she says it too isn't like, guys, it's like fast, cute, chill. She's like, oh, if you guys have pores like mine, you just cannot get it to work. Like, she is literally like talking to her best friend, and you can kind of tell when you're watching it, you're not getting targeted in like a hurtful way of like, if you have bad pores. She's saying like, I have this problem and this is what I do. And it kind of just makes you feel like, okay, like big sister's telling me what to do.
Pill shot. This is Dr. Malaxin's pill shot in the black rice. This is the strong one. So I'm
introducing the product while using it, genius. It's like flipping the script. It's like killing two birds with one stone. Instead of just being like, introduce the product and then show it, she's literally like, boom, applying it. So good.
put it in my largest area of pores. This is for more firming and tightening. This one in conjunction with the white rice. This is for more glow and brightening, to feel the pill shot roll up the blackheads right out of.
Like her using it and explaining it, just how clear and good this is. Like, I want this. I don't even really fully know what this product does, and I like want to get it because it just seems so satisfying and pleasing, and like clearly it works really well.
Pores onto the skin. I can feel them coming out. Like, definitely do this before your makeup. Oh my gosh, that's just so.
Giving you a little tip, you know, do this here, already kind of insinuating you as the viewer, like, okay, you're kind of like wanting to maybe get it, you're considering it, and she's even giving you another tip, like, once you already have it. That's so smart because like psychologically it tells you like, oh, I have this already, and when I have it, I should only do it before makeup. It's so smart, it's so smart.
Disgusting. Okay, I'm trying to show you in the best camera setting. They're completely gone. They're completely gone. I've never been able to find anything that actually pulls out.
Contrast this product compared to others. Instead of just being like, this product is so good, say, I have not been able to find something like this, or this is the only thing that does this for me, because that way you're not just being like, oh, get yourself a poor product, whatever. It's like, this is the one that does this and nothing else works for me, and like show the results. You need to sell yourself. You're not selling the product. It's like, you're not saying, go buy this. It's like, look at this. This is what did it for me. And that will interest them way more than just being like, there's a sale going on, or like, this product is for sale. You need to sell the dream. You need to show it working. You need to sell yourself. You are the product. That's why it's so important to pick a product that resonates with you and fits something that you have about yourself. That it can be a product that really works for you. It can be something you truly love and works for you, but you need to be selling that and showing that.
Things from my pores. I should have known that it would be Korean beauty that would figure it out. Like, I'm shocked right now. This is like sorcery. Definitely read about these on LinkedIn.
So genuine, so good. She's like, I'm shocked, I love these. And then the quick LinkedIn below. It's not like the whole video is trying to sell you something. You could watch the whole thing and just be super intrigued by the product she's using. And then she just casually is like, linked it below. That's so good. I guarantee you guys, she printed with that video. Like, chef's kiss. So just take these tips, apply them to your video, and I assure you, you will probably see results that you really are looking forward to. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I just want to give you guys as much genuine information that I wish I knew when I was starting TikTok Shop. And if there's anything more specific you want to know about, or you're like, how do I do this? Let me know in the comments, because I want to film videos to give you guys all the sauce in depth that no one else is sharing. Love you, bye. It's literally midnight. Like, no, it's 12:43. I'm gonna go make chicken noodle soup and go to bed.